Morning, guys. Today is day one of unemployment. Friday my contract ended, so now I'm out job hunting and looking for a new job. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and make this a series up until I get an offer, so we'll see when that is. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna quickly get dressed and we're going to hit the gym. Alright, so we just reached the gym. Rise loaded ring pop pre-workout. So I have this big ass bottle here and I'm just gonna load some in. I'm only gonna do a scoopful today just because I think I will make coffee later, or I might just have some tea. I don't know, we'll see. Today we'll be hitting chest. This flavor is actually really good. I've been using it for about a month now and I really like it. Friday was actually a pretty sad day. I had to say bye to my teammates, and I've been with my teammates for about 18 months now. That's how long the contract is. We've been through a lot as a team. You know, we always go to our coffee together. We always talked. Even late nights when we're working, same thing. I'm gonna miss them a lot. Normally I don't get so attached to people like that, but when you've been through a lot as a team like that, it makes it kind of harder to kind of say bye when you know that, you know, this is the right decision for you. And so it is what it is. You know, I know it's going to be hard to find a job out there. I know the job market's pretty tough, so that's why I decided to bring you guys along with me, and you know, maybe we can share some moments together. I don't know, but I decided just to make a series out of it, show you guys some of my processes, show you guys the day in the lives kind of thing now, and how they differ. Just finished up our chest day and bicep day, so now we're gonna head home, shower up and eat, and then we're gonna get straight into editing a resume and applying. All right. Gonna have 2 bagels, bro. I am vegetarian today, so I'm gonna have 2 bagels with some cream cheese. All right, next up, I gotta take some creatine with some hot water. I just put it in hot water. Alright, so now that we actually sat down, got some tea, I just switched out the cup. I'm going to begin just going on LinkedIn jobs and applying to some jobs. And also, I'm also going to be getting LinkedIn Premium, just so that I'm able to message other people on LinkedIn and hopefully network. And I already retweaked my resume. I'm not going to show you guys currently, but essentially I just brain dumped everything into a document. I had already had a quote unquote brag document, just stuff that I did at work, and I just added some metrics to quantify the impact that I had as well. So I did that. I brain dumped it into Claude, and I basically gave it some of the metrics and had to redo some of my bullet points essentially. And resume is already finished. That's something that I finished yesterday. On Sunday I just started working on it. So now we're actually just going to go through LinkedIn jobs, start applying, and start reaching out to people as well. AWS Summit in Toronto on June 3rd. So I'm actually going to register. If you guys are going to be there too, hit me up in the comments and maybe we can all go together, or we can meet up there. Bro, there's no tea bag. I'll let that sit there for a little. Look outside, it's actually pretty nice today. It's lunchtime. Got some hamburger bread. I'm vegetarian fasting today, so I got some soy burgers, some cheese, ketchup relish. Gonna make a burger real quick. So this is how it looks. Nothing fancy. I don't even got like any vegetables on here, to be honest. I was too lazy.
I'm completely clueless. I mean, I know everybody's Spanish is different.
For an orange juice. And I do like how you say horchata.
Until you need
Just a quick hack here. If you guys aren't using the Simplify extension, you guys are wasting time, because you can easily fill out your information in the profile section, okay? Then you can, in the profile section, and you also upload your resume and put in your job experience, etc., GitHub links, LinkedIn, stuff like that. Then you can click on autofill this page for Workday, and it'll fill in all the experience for you. And then when you're done, it'll actually create a application for you in the job tracker, and you can track it here, and you can also add some manually as well. So that's another thing too. So yeah, this isn't sponsored or an ad or anything. This is just simply a great tool that you guys can use. So give it a try and let me know. It's about 22 applications. I've also reached out to a few people on LinkedIn as well, and I didn't spend the entire day doing the applications. I would say anywhere from 3 up until now, which is around 7 o'clock. I mean, I did eat and stuff in between, but still, I'm already tired from just applying. Applying is only step 1 of all this and being able to land the interviews. So I'll also be looking at GreatFrontEnd and doing some LeetCode questions as well. I feel like most of my area will probably be needing in LeetCode. I haven't touched LeetCode in a while, so we have to get back into it for sure. I think I'm pretty much done with applying. I'm gonna do another round check on LinkedIn jobs just to see what's most recent and apply to those. All right, so this is what I got. I got some beans and bean stew and rice, and I just got some seaweed because I want some crunch with this meal. So yeah. Okay, I think that's about it. I am tired and I'm going to wrap up the day, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Core algorithms, but you know what else is true? You at your full-time job. That doesn't mean well to me, and I think it's a life-changing. Let me explain. When I first started doing LeetCode, really difficult things in high school and in college, honestly, college for me.
Got me some doubles. That's how it looks like. And I'm gonna eat that real quick. Just watch something.